Welcome viewers. Again here I am. Today again I will be discussing some typical conceptual questions asked in CBSE as well as in Assam Higher Secondary Council, and there is a specific way to answer. Say there are some questions like define and explain suppose drift velocity. So definition is same in all the books. The definition is same, but the way you approach how to explain the drift velocity. Before explaining the drift velocity, we must understand what is drift velocity. Okay, so I will take a question from CBSE 10 plus 2 main exam, board exam, then explain and define drift velocity. So see what is drift velocity. If you understand, you can easily write it. Okay, so drift velocity. As temperature increases, the electron, suppose the electron is moving like this, or suppose like this. Here we have to understand the electrons are moving like this because of the thermal velocity. What is thermal velocity? That if the electrons, there are some electrons, if the temperature is high, okay, then there is a collision among the electrons, and after collisions, the electrons can take any direction. Some electrons like this direction, some are like this direction, some are like this direction. So this is the movement of electron due to thermal velocity. So these are the direction of thermal velocity of electrons. Now let this is plus positive charge, negative charge, negative charge. Now if we apply the electric field, what is the direction of electric field? The electric field is direction is always from positive to negative. So let's say this is the direction of electric field. Okay. Now this electric field will apply a force. We must understand charges cannot apply force. This electric field always apply a force. When the electric field will apply a force on electron, and the charge of electron is always what? Negative. So F is equal to Q into E, but for electron F is equal to minus Q into E as electron is negatively charged. So there is a force minus QE. The force is actually plus QE in this direction as electric field is along this direction. So minus QE along this direction. This is for minus QE. So when electrons will experience a force minus QE, the direction is, suppose this is the direction and the force is acting like this, so it will deviate slowly. How much deviation takes place? This is the deviation. So similarly, electron is moving down, there is a force along this direction, so there is again deviation only. This is the deviation. Here similarly, this is the deviation. Or we can say electrons are drifted towards left, drifted towards left, drifted towards left. We can see the direction of thermal velocity can be anywhere, like this, or like this. But here you can see the drifting is always towards left. Whatever the direction of thermal velocity, the drifting direction is always towards left. It is uniform. Okay, this component of drifting component of velocity for as a whole number of crores of electrons as a whole is known as drift velocity. So remember, drift velocity is very small in magnitude, very small in magnitude. Thermal velocity, magnitude of thermal velocity is much higher compared to drift velocity. But very important, I that means current is generated only because of drift velocity, not because of thermal velocity. Okay, so when there is a velocity along this direction or this direction, current is not produced. Current produced only due to this direction. drifting left, if the electric field is acting positive to negative. This is about drift velocity. Okay. Sometimes a question is asked. Next question. This question is asked, very important question, very conceptual question. That if a point charge of minus q is placed near to uncharged conducting plate, what is the pattern of electric field lines? Question seems to be very simple. What the board is asking, there is a net charge 0, that means uncharged means net charge 0 is a plate, and there is a minus q, that is negatively charged. If we place it, so what will be the pattern of electric field lines? First, go to the basics. When it is uncharged, matlab means net charge 0. Net charge 0. So if we place a negative charge, so there will be automatic induction of positive charge at the nearby. This is induction of electric current. So this is positive and this is negative. Again, follow the rule. What is the direction of field lines? Field lines always starting at positive and terminate at negative. So this will be field line. This is the answer. Okay. Next, there is a question: how resistivity affect on semiconductor if suppose temperature is increased. So we have a formula of resistivity. Rho is the resistivity. Rho is equal to m by n L square, and this is eta. See, this is known as relaxation time. What is relaxation time? It is the time gap between two consecutive collisions, because electrons, charged particles or electrons, they will collide with each other. If temperature increased, the collision rate of collision will increase. If the rate of collision will increase, this has to decrease. Okay. If temperature is increased, relaxation time will decrease. So this has to increase. So resistivity has to increase, but it's not true. Because semiconductor behaves like a specific way. I agree, if temperature increased, this is going to be decreased. So relaxation time will decrease, no doubt. But if temperature is increased, this is N, also largely increase. What is N? It is known as current density. There is a suppose conductor, this is I, so N means I divided by area into length, that is volume. See, if temperature increased, current increased. Current, previously suppose there is current 1 ampere by 1 meter cube. In a specific volume of 1 meter cube, current was 1 ampere, but as temperature increased, there is 2 ampere per 1 meter cube. That means N is increased. So this is decreased, due to which resistivity will be increased, but N heavily increases, due to which resistivity will be decreased. Now the net effect net effect is increase of resistivity due to decrease of this is lower than decrease of resistivity due to increase of N. So N is a dominant, N is dominant, increase of N is dominant. So the net effect is, if temperature increases for a semiconductor, resistivity always decrease. Although relaxation time decreases, so this has to be increased, but due to the large increase of current density, the rho always decreases. This is the specific style of behaving like a semiconductor. I hope I have only discussed only 3 questions. I hope certainly in future now I have to discuss, or we will discuss so many questions like CBSE second year as well as first year. I hope this video will be at least a little benefited for the students. Thank you so much.